Alright YouTube, welcome back. It's with the Techno Boy, and in this video I am not gonna unbox anything. All you are seeing in box is not a parcel. It was a parcel before when I bought my LED projector. That projector came in this box. This is from Amazon packing box. Well, this is empty now. You can see that. But this is quite a hard box. So what I was thinking that why don't I try to make this a speaker box like that, like we used to do at a young age when we didn't have that much money to spend on new speakers, boxes like that. I also did that once, but that was not so good. Now I am thinking, now why don't I try again that now once. Let's see how it sounds now. Well, I am gonna do it. I can make it better now, like I did before. So what I'm gonna do now, this is a 5-inch woofer that you've seen before, and I'm gonna place it right over there, I think, and I'm gonna make this a subwoofer box. Well, it is kind of funny because this cardboard box wouldn't give you any bass or anything like that. I'm gonna see that if it can make any okay kind of sound. If it can make that, I'll be happy. So let's start. I'm gonna make a hole here right on this box, and then I want to make a port here. First I'm gonna try it without making the port, and then I'll make a port here, because for 5-inch woofer this cardboard box is quite big. So let's start with the speaker hole.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Alright guys, so it's done. Now it's time to test how bad sound this can make. So let's check it. I have connected this to my 2.1 amplifier and connected to the subwoofer only. So first of all I'm gonna test some frequency, online frequency, and then I'm gonna test some bass. Let's see how it works. Okay, we are started from 167 Hertz, and it is making some noise, but above that the online tone generator start from 440 Hertz, but at that point it was not making any noise. So now we're starting from 160 Hertz, and let's see. Yeah, hopefully you heard the sound vibration and the heaviness. I hope my camera was able to catch that heaviness of that noise. So let's now test some sound from NCS. Well, obviously the speaker is quite good, and it is making good bass, but you can't hear that bass because that is not loud because of this cardboard box. So it is not going to work as a subwoofer. Definitely it's not going to work. So now let me show you the cone movement. It is connected to a 200-watt subwoofer amplifier, so it is working at its level best and at I think fullest, but it is not making loud buzz, not even making enough buzz. So let me show you the cone movement once again. Alright, now I'm going to connect this one to not to the subwoofer, to a channel, and to the studio output of that amplifier, and let's see then how it works. Okay, now I'm going to play the same music again, and you can hear. Well, in the normal stereo mode, it is working quite good, giving a okay output, but what it's missing is a tweeter, because this is the only woofer is making, it's producing the lows and the mids but not the highs. For highs we need a tweeter. So for the channel, this cardboard box may work. So in the next video I'm gonna try this too. I'm gonna put a bigger woofer and a tweeter, and I'm gonna test that with the stereo channel, how it works. So stay tuned for the next video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.